I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting clamping force. Loosen the headset top cap 2 to 3 turns, then back off the stem binder bolt 3 to 5 full turns. Use a single firm tap on the binder to break initial seizure, because that releases slight tension. Next, pour penetrating oil around the exposed quill and into any visible gaps, then wait 10 to 15 minutes so the solvent migrates. Once done, try to rotate the quill slightly to test movement before stepping up to extraction. You now focus on breaking the corrosion bond. Place a wooden block around the steerer and strike the stem base with a rubber mallet, short, controlled blows, because shock transfers down the quill. While tapping, twist the handlebars gently in the opposite direction of the original insertion and pull upward. This combined motion leverages both shear and axial forces to free the shaft. If the stem still resists, apply heat to the external stem area for 30 to 60 seconds to expand metal slightly. Then repeat tapping and twist. You finish by extracting the quill cleanly. Thread a bolt or use a dedicated quill extractor through the stem wedge, add washers to bear on the wedge, and tighten gradually to draw the wedge free, because direct pulling prevents further damage. Once removed, clean inside the steerer with a rag and a Scotch-Brite pad, then apply a thin coat of grease or anti-seize before reinstallation. Troubleshooting tip: if it still binds after firm attempts, soak overnight in penetrating oil and retry. Cutting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.